fix microphone not working on Windows 10. If your microphone is not working on Windows 10, whether it's not being detected, too quiet, or completely silent, don't worry, in this video I'll show you easy fixes to solve this issue step by step, so let's get started. Before diving into software settings, let's check the basic. Make sure your microphone is properly plugged into the correct audio jack or USB port. If using a headset, check if the mute switch is turned off and try a different USB port or jack to rule out hardware issues. If these are not the case, let's move on to the next step. Sometimes Windows block apps from using the microphone. Here's how to check. Just press Win+I to open settings. From there, go to privacy or simply search for microphone itself. Now go to microphone privacy settings and make sure microphone access is turned on, and scroll down and ensure that the app you're using has permission to use the mic. If your microphone is not set as the default device, Windows might not use it properly. Here's how to fix it. Right click on the speaker icon in the taskbar and select sound settings. Now simply scroll down until you find an option that says input. In input, here as you can see, choose a device for speaking or recording. Simply choose your microphone as the default device. Click apply and OK. Next thing what we need to check is adjust microphone levels. If your microphone is too quiet or not picking up sound properly, you may need to adjust its level. In the volume, simply increase it to at least 80 to 100%. Now, if that also didn't work, let's move on to the next step. If your mic still isn't working, it could be a driver issue. Let's update or reinstall it. Right click on the start button and simply select Device Manager. And simply expand audio inputs and outputs. From here, right-click your microphone and choose Update Driver. And simply select Search Automatically for drivers and let Windows update it. If the issue persists, just uninstall the driver and restart your PC to reinstall it automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the microphone not working issue on Windows 10.